What up, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, what's cracking, Lizard Gang? How's it hanging? All right, guys, so we're back out here on 27th Avenue in Indian School. We out here looking for some lizards, some action, whatever we can find. All right, guys, so real quick, if you guys want to know what kind of cameras I'm using, if you guys want to know what kind of products I use as well, go down to the description down below and you guys are gonna find all that. If you guys use my link to buy anything, that'll kick me down with a little percentage. That's like a good way to show your support for the Lizard Gang. And to everybody that does that, thank you very much. If you guys haven't noticed, there's another bar down there where you guys see my videos. There's another bar down below, and that's gonna have my merch right there. I just released some new merch, so go ahead and check it out. If you guys like it, go ahead and cop one, man. That'll help the channel. Thank you guys for rocking with the Lizard Hunter, man. I really do appreciate that. Let's try to get my channel to 50,000 subscribers if we can. If we can't, then it's all gravy. All right, well, without further ado, let's get to this, man. Let's go get them lizards. Should we go around and get a front shot, Lizard Gang? Let me go around. They're out early today. That's right there by the Lizard Building, where the fan of the Lizard Hunter put his mark. Hey, thanks to whoever did that right there, man. Thank you guys. The Lizard Hunter does appreciate that. That was true art. Get the street sign, 27th and Luke. Smash or pass. Leave it down in the comment section. Check it out, Lizard Gang. They're getting deeper over here by this building. if I could do the focus right. Right there, yeah. I think that's good. Every other city I go, every other video, no matter where I go, I see the same Komodo. Komodo time, lizard gang. A lot of you guys ask me like, hey Lizard, what's up with the flip-flops? And to tell you guys the truth, I really don't know, man. That's just the Lizard style, man. There she goes. She's going to the Lizard building. That's gonna be the Lizard Lounge. Another butt there. See with her peanut going. Komodo time, Lizard Gang. It's Komodo time. Doing the mating dance. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for my video. If you guys like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like, just go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well. Alright, so Lizard Gang, I'm gonna be continuing the Lizard Tour 2021. So we're gonna be hitting different cities, different states, and the Lizard Hunter is gonna be coming to a city near you. So if you guys haven't checked out my merch, go ahead and go to my Teespring account or my store, and you guys are gonna find all my merch there. If you guys like it, go ahead and cop a shirt, a mug, whatever you guys want, man. Show your support for the channel. Thanks to everybody that's been rocking with the Lizard Hunter. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next one.